Here's today's job. Them footings we dug last year, I'm stripping them all now. Where you going, Kelvin? Got some steps there, mate. Yeah, stripping them back, man. Brickies are coming Friday. Get these built. A shot. Mate, I couldn't do that again. It's like Stonehenge. But we'll leave that there.
Cause I'm too messy, and I'm too fucking clean. You told me get a job, then you asked where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect, so I open my big mouth. I want to be me, is that not allowed? And I'm too clever, and then I'm too fucking dumb. You hate it when I cry, and I suspect I go for months. And I'm too perfect, so I show you that I'm not about to be I could be for you when you hate the fucking me. Cause I'm too messy, is that not allowed? Cause I'm too messy, is that not allowed?
Here they are, little footings we've been on today. We dug these last year, but brickies are here Friday for them.